Hey you guys, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm just kind of taking you around on my day. I have a lot of cleaning to catch up on because I've just been postpartum, so I have lots of messes. But I just wanted to show you what our day was like today, and also we got to do some fun things like makeup with Maya, and I also got to cut the boys' hair. So with that being said, let's jump in.
Hey.
I think he woke up a little bit chubbier this morning. You're a big boy.
Eyes are getting chubby.
What are you doing?
Pushing the button.
That's taking a picture button. Mommy's gonna have 1,000 pictures of your legs.
Look at the back.
How much look? How much look?
How much look at?
How much look? Ezra has a tail on the back.
He's a lion in the front.
Cute.
Nice, Maya. Look at all those pictures.
Yeah.
Good morning, you guys. It is 11:30 on Monday morning, and that means that my house is a total disaster from the weekend. So we're gonna go around and clean up a little bit today and, you know, take you around. Like you guys saw in our last video, we've been working on cleaning our carpets. We still haven't gotten it done. Also, I have this giant cold sore right here, and it's driving me crazy because it looks like I'm frowning all the time. Since Brayden is on paternity leave and he has more time, he's been unloading the dishwasher first thing in the morning. So that means that we're able to just load whatever we couldn't last night or dishes throughout the day. So it's kind of amazing. Last night we had pizza and there wasn't enough room in the dishwasher for all of the dishes. So that's what I'm gonna do this morning. You want a cheese stick? Go ask Talmadge if he wants one too.
Okay.
Cheese stick for you. Whoa. Here you go. So this is our shoe coat station. And it's officially time to get rid of some of the winter shoes in here so I can like get rid of my boots. Brayden doesn't go to work anymore because he works from home all the time, just like everyone else. This is also my pantry. It's so messy. Someone help me. Okay, I had these books sitting on my counter for way too long, and it's because they are ripped. Whoop. The ripped page. Ezra, I know. Okay, it's time to put Ezra to sleep. He's just been struggling with sleeping lately, like getting him to sleep. It's been taking so long. While we're on this side of the house, I have to show you the secret room. So, it may look like a utility closet, but actually, it's our own little grow room. And this is something Brayden has put together. He has built us the most beautiful garden. We won't even have to buy like any produce this summer. He's just been growing stuff like crazy. I'm so proud of him. You okay?
Okay, honey, you're gonna get your finger smashed. Watch out. Okay, look. Start over here. Back and forth, okay?
Okay.
But don't get the stairs.
Talmadge is a good sprayer, aren't you, buddy? Look at you. That's the perfect job for you. Okay, move to a different spot, buddy. You gotta keep moving back. You gotta go everywhere. You have to go everywhere.
Look at how dirty the water is just from the stairs. Like, that's not even that much carpet.
Ew.
That is filthy.
So today we're making macaroni cheese for lunch. Look at this beautiful butterfly girl. Me and Maya are gonna do some makeup, huh sis?
Yeah.
This is one of our favorite things to do
That's
together.
my favorite.
Is this our favorite thing to do together?
Yeah.
What's your favorite makeup to put on, Maya?
This.
You like to do your eyelashes? You're just gonna put a little bit of makeup on for fun, huh?
Yeah.
You know, with the quarantine thing, I went for a long time. I'm like, woohoo, there's nowhere to go. I'm not gonna wear makeup for like a year. But now I'm like missing doing my makeup. So I find myself just doing it even though I'm not really going out. Just because I just feel like more put together and I just think it's kind of fun. So I'm working on doing a different style of video for you guys. I realized that in the past I have just like made my videos like super fast paced and like you're funny, Maya. But I wasn't like sharing a lot with you guys. Like I feel like I used to like share with you guys like what I would a friend, but I just got into this rut of just like boom 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 showing you what I was doing instead of like really connecting with you guys. So I'm just kind of slowing down my videos a little bit and this will cut your tongue. Don't do that. Don't bite that. Okay. I think it's kind of fun. I think it's kind of different and I'm excited to see how it goes. Something I love about Maya right now is that she copies everything I do. Like every single thing I do, she does it. I just washed my hands, so now she needs to wash her hands, I guess. Why do you need to wash your hands, Maya? You have dirt on them? So Maya is using some translucent powder with her e.l.f. brush. Yeah. Also, a great way to test your patience is letting your toddler play with your makeup. How about you do your mascara? It's eyebrow gel. Yeah, it's eyebrow gel. I love you. You're my best friend. Maya, you're my best friend. I am? Okay, we're almost done with makeup, huh? No, that will be way too messy. Yeah. Thank you for asking. Wow. Look in the camera. Look at the camera. Wow. That's some serious makeup, girlfriend. Ah! You can't use your fingernails, okay? Wow, I think that's the perfect amount for you. So beautiful. Wow. Wow. You're funny. Is this fun? Yeah, he's starting to wake up, huh? Yep. Are you gonna take a nap today?
No. I just wake up.
Okay, I think that's the perfect amount. Should we go show Dad your makeup?
Yeah.
Brayden hates it when she puts makeup on. He's like, we have to teach her that she's beautiful without makeup. So instead of saying, oh, so beautiful all the time, we say, ooh, super fun.
Is the next one?
Yeah, I'll put it on by myself though, okay? No fingers in it. No fingers. Oh.
What's the way it go? Like that.
Whoa! You really went to town on the makeup. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Beautiful.
The kids made a big mess on the floor, so now you're cleaning up, huh?
Look.
Quarantine haircut.
Quarantine haircut.
I'm kind of lucky because you are a cosmetologist. Everyone else is suffering.
I always tease Brayden that he only married me so he could get free haircuts for life, huh?
Yeah, but I don't really cut my hair anymore. It's like once a year. Can we fix your glasses? Can I see them?
So
Oh, it's
if you
so
guys
hot.
follow me on Instagram, you saw that I've done a tutorial on how I cut hair. So if you haven't seen that, go look at my highlights on Instagram, and I show a tutorial on how I do Talmadge's hair. But it's actually like pretty similar to how I do Brayden's hair too.
Hoagie, and I will be fast.
That'd be
And
cool.
I need your power.
Oh, I love
Feel how warm it is. See how warm that water is? Okay.
I got feel it in my hair.
Come on, garage and help Daddy.
Let me see your hair, honey.
Ah.
Look bad.
It,
I'll have her pay money.
no, I don't think so. You just
Yeah,
need to
I'll
comb it.
pay money to go cut anyone's hair.
You know people pay mommy to get their hair cut?
Yep.
We just get lucky. We don't have to pay her.
I'm getting his
You have
cut.
to pay me in kisses though, Tal. You have to give me
Why
100
are you
kisses.
getting his cut?
This
Is that a deal?
It was really long.
Yeah.
Yeah, do you want a haircut? Fun?
I'm spiking up my woman.
No. We're never getting rid of your hair. Just look, just like a little bit on the
I
edge.
can do
No, that one's beautiful.
my
Can you look at it?
woman spiky
You
now.
want it spiky?
Yeah, spiky.
In the back, you want it spiky?
Yeah. Over here.
Wait, let's look up what Sonic hair looks like.
Okay.
Pictures of Sonic.
We
Wow.
You want it spiky in the back?
Yes, I do.
A mohawk? Oh gosh.
A lot.
A mock. I need to throw a rock in the front.
But now it doesn't scare you. You're just like, you're like dad. You're like a big boy.
No, I'm not. I'm just a little boy when I go.
You're right.
Right.
Okay, Talmadge, let's look at your hair. Do you see your cool fast lightning bolt?
Yes.
Look at that lightning bolt, and then you've got it spiky like Sonic in the front. What do you think? Do you want me to take a picture and show you the side? It's hard to see. Do you want me to show you your cool lightning bolt?
Good, Tal.
Were you? So you were hoping it would be spiky in the back too? It would. I don't know how to do that kind of a haircut. So I just did it so it's spiky in the front. So because if it was in the back, you wouldn't be able to see it, right? So I wanted to do it in the front so that you'd be able to see it.
Okay, do it again.
Let's see if it makes you go faster. Holy smokes!
Oh.
What? Whoa!
Safe.
I think it makes your hair. I think your hair makes you go faster.
Wow.
Do you like it? Yeah. I already has slowed down just a little bit. After I cut the kid's hair, we had a neighbor come over and he needed a haircut because, you know, quarantine. He's like, I have to go back to work next week and I need a haircut so bad. So I was super happy to help him. But yeah, it felt so good today to just like clean my house because I just feel like ever since I had Ezra, I feel like I have just been super behind on housework. I really don't feel bad for it though because you know, I kind of gave myself permission early on to just like enjoy myself and just enjoy the baby and recover and like not worry about dumb housework. Like who cares if the house isn't clean? So it felt good to catch up a little bit today, and I have a lot more to do tomorrow because we have some family coming into town. But thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you in my next video. Bye.